Julian's washing his car first. We're gonna try out these products. Okay, so now let's try out these products. It's actually our first time here, me and Julian, and we ran into those people. Civic, we saw the S13, pretty dope. But yeah, let's try out these products. Our cars are pretty much dry now, and we're good to go. Shout out to Shine Armor. Okay, so it's time to use these products. We got the Shine Armor Odor Eliminator. This is what we're gonna start off with. Julian wants to use it for a Z because, what does this car smell like?
Bro, it smells like a, you know, you ever been to a pizza place and you use their bathroom?
That's what you smell like? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so it smells pretty bad in here. You know, it smells pretty bad in here. We got this. This should solve the problem. And that's what happens when you pick up these cars, man. Like, you never know what you're getting yourself into. So, let's try this out, see if it works. So, little technical difficulties. We switched the attachment. So, here we go. Yes, sir. See the sprays?
Sweeping motion.
Mm-hmm.
Test. Ooh.
You smell the difference?
Ooh.
Mmm.
Minty fresh.
That mint smell's coming in.
Colgate Total.
So you want to spray that all up in there. You know, get that piece of place smell out of there. So we're gonna let that sit in. Oop, there's your key. We're gonna let that sit in and then close the door. We're gonna wait a few minutes and then we'll come back. All right, so next up we're gonna try the Graphene ceramic spray. This is what I'm excited about. You guys see the car. It looks shiny on camera, but trust me, it can be more shiny. So the first thing you wanna do is wash the car and let it dry, which is what we did. And then you wanna spray it into your towel. Want to spray the product into your towel. So I sprayed a good amount and we're just going to apply it. The good thing about this is like your own DIY ceramic coat, just to protect your paint. So I'm just going to apply in circular motions. So far I'm just going to do the hood just to test it out. So I think I got everywhere. So we just did the hood for now. And we're gonna let it dry for a bit.
A few moments later.
This right here was the first towel. This one is wet, so you don't want to use that. You want to use a dry one. We let it sit for 2 minutes and we're just gonna buff it out. So just gonna wipe down the whole hood. Circular motion as well. So I already feel the difference, like it's really smooth on the hood, makes the car shiny. Let's do that bead test. Y'all see the water and that H2O? Look at that, sliding so quick. Let's do the fender. Oh, you see the water staying, you know, it's taking a while to slide versus slides quick. I lowered the exposure. So you can see on the hood, this is all the beading versus the fender where I didn't do it. This is what you want to see. So we can do the ultimate test right here. Holy, look at that.
Holy.
Super shiny, so it protects the paint. It's gonna protect you from water spots if it rains again, and you can just wipe it off. So the last product we're gonna try today is the Nano glass coating. So what this does, it covers your windshield and it lasts up to 3 months. So if it rains, debris, anything like that, it should slide off your windshield. And even without your wipers, like the rain should be able to, you should still be able to see. So we're gonna try it out. We're gonna do it on half of the windshield. We already washed the car, the windshield is cleaned, I used glass cleaner. We're gonna put it on the cloth first and also on the windshield. So let's try it out. So you wanna do this in a circular motion. Oh, I already feel the difference. It's like a nice coating. And like I said, half of the windshield first. Let's put this up. So you're supposed to use another cloth. This part of the towel I didn't touch on the windshield. I don't know if you guys saw that. But as you guys can see, it's starting to haze. So you want to buff that out. You want to keep buffing until the haze goes away. So I'm going to keep trying. Do another water test. See how the water reacts to this. So it slides pretty quick. It's also beading. And that's what you want to see. This is the side I didn't do it on. Oh, look at that puddle. Look at the puddle of water. Definitely you don't want this.
So this is no product. This is with product. See all the beads?
All you track guys that want to remove your windshields, wipers for weight reduction, use some Shine Armor. So there you guys have it. These products actually work. We got the ceramic coat in there. We got the beading on the windshield as well with the glass coating. Last step. Oh, tell me how it smells. Tell me how it smells.
Oh yeah, it smells good.
Smells good?
Smells good.
No more pizza shop?
No more pizza.
What does it smell like what does it smell like right now?
Like Listerine.
Anyone comes into this car is fresh.
That's it.
And how do you pronounce it one time for the fans?
Oh, eucalyptus?
Eucalyptus. There you go.
You gotta
eucalyptus.
lick your lips when you say that. Eucalyptus.
Eucalyptus mint. There you go. Alright y'all, so it's actually kind of late right now. Y'all see the sweat. I'm putting in the hours. I'm putting in the hours into this car. But yo, this car is shining so much after using the Shine Armor products. The ceramic coat and the glass coating. Like this shit is so smooth. Oh my god. Feels so good. Come feel it. Come feel it.
Oh my god. It's silky.
It's so smooth.
Silky.
Yes sir.
5 minutes later.
Later. It's time to call it a night. Julian's leaving. I'm about to get out of here too. But look what else we also picked up. So Julian hooked it up with this AMSOIL 2-stroke oil saver, as you can see. And this is for the RX-7. So we needed some premix. The car is running out of gas. And now we should be good to go. So we can get this car on the road. Alright, so it's time to head back home. The car is looking really good. Thank you to Shine Armor for sending us those products. We will look at it in another clip, so stay tuned. Okay squad, so it's the next day. I'm out here with the S2K. I'm ramming a bit. But now we can get a better look of how the Shine Armor products did. So yeah, the sun is out. The Shine Armor ceramic spray, it got time to cure. And now you can see the results, and bro, this car is super shiny in the front end. I'm loving the finish. Oh bro. Oh man, it's literally Shine Armor. So yeah, I'm very pleased with the results of the Graphene ceramic spray. It actually made this car even more shiny than it's ever been. On my way home, I did get some bugs on the front end, and it's so easy to clean because the car is ceramic coated, so it just wiped off real quick. And the glass coating is gonna help me out for the rainy days. And Julian seemed to like the Odor Eliminator. So if any of you are interested in these products, the links will be in the description below. Check them out. Thank you again to Shine Armor for taking care of us, helping us with our cars, helping us with our newly acquired JDM cars. And I'm pleased with the results. Yeah, now I'm probably gonna ceramic coat the whole car because I'm really loving the shine. And for your best results with the Shine Armor products, we do recommend you wash your whole car, outside and in, for the best results. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please stay tuned for future content. We got some more coming on the way. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. I will catch you guys in the next one. Stay safe. Peace.